guys a video of a typical apartment style building where at the bottom of the building you'll have parking, small shops, supermarket, things like that. And then at the top you can see that's where people live, just regular apartments. And then I think inside there's actually like a small like city hall office. You could go in there. And yeah, this is very typical on smaller scales too, where the bottom will be a convenience store and the top will be apartments and stuff. This is a newer building. It was just built last year, I think, or 2 years ago. Before that, this whole area was just houses and old houses, actually, really old houses. You wouldn't believe how old they were. Yeah, here's some scenes from the local supermarket. Okay, we're out. So this is the book off. They sell used things here, and we just sold some stuff. We got 850 yen back. We sold some books. It's really busy in there. Lots of people selling stuff. We also sold a computer. We'll see how much that's gonna be. I'm not sure. And then over here we have a little crate thing. And then parking is upstairs. Yeah, we're out.